Welcome to Sight Words Audible. This is a really awesome application to help your students or children practice sight words. It's really, really easy to use and you can get a lot of useful data from it. And kids will love it also. So the first thing you do is you pick which set of words you want to use. This is the Dolch 220, first grade sight words, or second grade sight words. And then you can select whatever kind of font you want to use, just so kids have a little bit of variety. I'm going to stick with Verdana right now, and let's go with first grade sight words. And I think you'll find this to be a pretty unique program, and I look forward to showing you how it works. So I'm going to click first grade, and a random word will come up. So you hear a voice say show. If you can't hear it, you can always click this here again button. So show. So my job as a student is going to drag and drop the letters to the correct spaces. So I know show starts with S, so I'm just going to drag it here. The H, the O, and then the W, and I click check word. And I get it right.
Red.
So now it's red. So I'm going to drag a R, and watch this. If I'm a student and I'm stuck with what the next letter should be, I can click this question mark, and watch what happens. It highlights two of the vowels, E or U, and I have to choose from these two. So red sounds like it's an E, so I drag the E. And then I'll drag the D. I'll click check word. Awesome, I get it right. I didn't hear that one. Let's do it again.
Tree.
So tree now. So let's see what happens if I get one incorrect. So T, R, E, let's call it A. And I click check word, and I get the last letter wrong. So the program shows me which letter I need to replace. So I need to bring my E up here, just replace, click check word, and I got it. Let's try one more. Is. I. And let's say, for whatever reason, I don't know what letter comes here. I click the question mark, and I get the P and the S highlighted. Let's use the S, check word, got it. So I can go on as long as I want. There's maybe 100 different words in the in the first grade sight words. Anytime when I'm done with this, I can just click exit game. Now watch, if I click exit game and I click print results, I get some pretty cool data. I'm not sure if you can see it all, but it shows me the words that I got correct and the words that got incorrect and how I tried to spell those words when incorrect. It also shows me I got 3 or 4 or 75%. So anyway, I think this is a really, as my son entered first grade, it was really great that I produced a program with just sight words, so you could load a list of sight words and they'd come up as flashcards. But I found as Will got through first grade, that he also needed to be able to spell these sight words in spelling tests. So I wanted to create a program that would help him do just that. And it would be kind of fun. It wouldn't just be, seem like work all the time. So anyway, I hope you enjoy Sight Words Audible. I think it's pretty useful. As always, let me know what you think.